Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to activate visual enhancement in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to display and brightness, and here you will find visual enhancement. Just click on it. So just to turn on this button, visual enhancement, this will optimize the color and contrast of some pictures for more vivid display effects. Using this feature will increase power consumption. Okay, just if you turn on this button, it will be set for these supported apps: video, YouTube and Netflix. Okay, so it will optimize color and contrast for YouTube videos and normal videos that you are taking from your phone, or if you are playing any video file in your phone. Okay, also Netflix. Okay, so in this way you can easily activate visual enhancement in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.